loving, caring, sharing. This is my family. ఉన్న రోజులు నలుగురు సహాయం చేయాలి, కాలం గడపాలి, పోవాలి. ఇంకేం నాళ్ళు బ్రతికినా ఏమి సామ్రాజ్యంబు ఎందుకీ మోహంబు జీవా పండుగ ఈ లోక భ్రాంతి వదలని శివుని భజన జయమాయ జీవా. సూపర్.
Loving, caring, sharing. Greetings from Australia. I just wanted to tell you all how much I love Grandpa Kitchen. It is the best YouTube channel on YouTube by a long, 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 long way, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Photography is fantastic, the recipes are fantastic, the innovation is fantastic, the cooking techniques are just mind-blowing outside. I just love it. But of course, most of all, I love Grandpa, and I wish Grandpa all the best. It appears his health hasn't been the best of late. Let's hope Grandpa fully recovers and gets better, gets well. And as well as being the best channel to watch, I have to say it's also inspired me to try some of your recipes. They're fantastic. All the best, Grandpa. Take care.
Grampi, Brasil! Cadê você? Aparece logo, fica bom logo. I love you. Quero seus vídeos. Kisses.
Hi Grandpa, how are you? I'm Vikrant
And I'm Priya.
and we live in New Zealand.
Oh, we love your channel and we really appreciate what you're doing for the kids, and your recipes are really yummy.
We can't wait to see you back on screen. We wish you a speedy recovery and we want to see you back on our favorite YouTube channel.
Yeah. Lots of love. We really love you a lot.
Love you Grandpa. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Grandpa, I'm wishing you more success in your channel. Keep up the good work and God bless. From Maryland, USA.
Hi Grandpa, we love your videos. We hope you feel better soon. Blessings from Canada.
My name is Jeremiah Sparkman, and I just want to say when I come back from school every day, I watch your channel. I love watching it. You cook for kids. Loving, caring, sharing. That is what life is all about. You have to love, care, and share. Bless you, Grandpa. Bless you.
Hello, Grandpa. My name is Samuel, and I am from Portugal. I love to watch your videos and your food for the children's, but I love very much your mixwell. Here in Portugal, mixwell translated is mexer bem. And God bless you, God bless your family, the children's, and your food. Bye bye. Adeus, aqui de Portugal.
Hello, my grandpa. Hello from New Zealand.
Namaste, Dadaji. Aap kaise hai? My name is Latoya and I watch you from Trinidad and Tobago in the Caribbean. I love you and we miss you. Come back soon. Bye.
Dear Grandpa, warm greetings from Sydney, Australia. We really enjoy your videos and delicious dishes you create. This channel has truly made my evenings fruitful. I greatly appreciate your good doings and the contents you release. We wish you a best of health and I'm eagerly waiting for your new video. All the best from Manoj and family. Bye for now.
We want you to record a video about what you are thinking and how you are feeling about our channel, how much you are loving our grandpa, your opinions and suggestions. If anything you want to share with grandpa. With your presence, record a video not more than 1 minute and then email us your video clip. Grandpa will watch your video clips directly, and also we will add your video clip with cooking video which we are going to post in our YouTube channel Grandpa Kitchen. We hope you like this very much. Then why late? Send us your video as quickly as possible. Our email ID grandpakitchen3@gmail.com. Thank you very much.
I am waiting.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today I am preparing traditional prawns biryani. Let's clean shrimp. Cleaning is over. Let's divine. Salt. Now we will boil rice. I have already soaked basmati rice into water. Now we will boil the water. When it is boiling, we will add that soaked basmati rice into this, and when it is cooking 65%, then we will take it out. Now I am adding salt to this water. If we add enough salt to this water, we will get proper taste to the rice. Now I am adding some oil to this water. This oil helps to not to stick rice. I am adding natural spices. These natural spices not only give us taste and aroma, and also it gives a lot of health benefits. We have a lot of health benefits from each and every spices. We have all ingredients ready. Now we will marinate prawns. Cleaned shrimp. Now we will add salt to the marination. Adding lemon juice. Now I am adding natural biryani spices. Ginger garlic paste. Homemade biryani masala mixture. 5 kg curd. Fried onions. Green chilies. Red chili powder. Pure ghee. Coriander and mint leaves. Now your favorite mix well. Now let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now water is boiling, adding soaked basmati rice. Now we will add semi-cooked basmati rice into this marination. Brown onions. Coriander and mint leaves. Saffron milk. Ghee. Now applying dough. Marinated well and rice boiled well. Now we will keep for dum for 20 minutes. Now I am putting some weight to lock the steam. Nice aroma is coming. Now we will keep it in the low flame. Prawns biryani, really delicious. Our kids will enjoy.